Why did Joseph's brothers hate him so much, and how did he rise again?
Joseph's story begins with dreams that made him a target. His brothers turned jealousy into a terrible plan that ripped him from his home and sold him as a slave. But instead of staying broken, Joseph grew stronger in every place he landed. Pressure became training. This is the story of how someone thrown down again and again rose to lead a whole nation.
So, what does that actually mean?
These chapters teach us that people can hurt you, but God can still guide your path. Pain does not cancel purpose. Joseph faced injustice, loneliness, and false accusations. Yet he kept choosing integrity when no one was watching. His story shows that character is built in hidden places long before the world sees it. God prepares this in private for influence in public.
Does the brain really change from small steps?
Yes, and Joseph's whole journey proves it. Growth happens in moments, not miracles. Every time he stayed calm, made wise choices, or refused revenge, he strengthened his prefrontal cortex. That is the part that plans and stays steady under pressure. When he resisted anger and hopelessness, he kept his amygdala from taking over. His faith acted like mental training that built emotional resilience one choice at a time.
How does this show up in real life?
You might feel this at school when people make fun of you or misunderstand your talents. That pain feels personal. In friendships, jealousy or rumors can sting deeply. Words can wound quietly. In your family, you might feel left out, blamed, or unseen. Joseph shows that even when the environment is unfair, your response can still be wise, calm, and aligned with God's purpose for you.
So, small equals big?
Exactly. One choice to stay honest, one moment of patience, or one act of kindness becomes a seed. That seed grows into a strong identity. Joseph's tiny faithful decisions created momentum that carried him to leadership. Just like stacking small blocks, your little choices build a future you cannot see yet.
So, how do I start?
Step 1. Thinking. Identify one hard situation, where you feel discouraged or misjudged. Name it clearly. Step 2. Feeling. Ask God to help you stay steady inside, not controlled by frustration. Step 3. Action. Do one responsible thing in that situation. Help someone. Complete your work well. Stay truthful, even when others are not.
What should we do today?
Today's challenge is to respond to one negative moment with calm strength. Pause before reacting. It could be a rude comment, a stressful assignment, or someone doubting you. These moments matter. Take a breath. Pause. Choose Joseph's path of steady character. Comment the word strong. Subscribe if you want more episodes that build courage. Joseph's story shows that the world does not get to decide your future. God does. God uses pain, confusion, and hidden seasons to prepare you for influence you cannot imagine. Keep choosing integrity in small things, and you will rise in the right time. Stay steady, stay faithful, stay growing.
See you in the next episode.